Hello everyone, today I will show how to create a new user account on Windows 10. Firstly, I will click on Windows icon and go to the setting. Click on the account. Then click on the family and other users. Thereafter, click on add someone else to this PC. Click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then click on add a user without a Microsoft account. You can type the username and set password for new user. Thereafter, you must select 3 security questions and answer. Now, a user account was created. Thereafter, if you want to change account type, you can click on Change Account Type as Administrator. Now you can use your newly created user account on Windows 10. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.